All right, this is Rick Drury. I'm with Classic Auto Insurance, and we're here at Detroit Autorama 2020. And we ran into our buddy here, Chris, who brought a killer 68 Camaro Dementor. Right. Got to tell me a little bit about this car.
Yeah, it's a 68 Camaro. It kind of started as a $10,000 Camaro swap or flip, and it kind of went from there.
Got out of control.
It got out of control.
Okay.
But just wanted to build something a little different, kind of a sinister looking car, something not you see every day.
Yeah. The fit and finish is awesome. You guys do great body work on there. Any struggles in the body? What kind of shape was it in when you got it?
It should have been junked.
Really?
Should have been junked. When it was pulled apart, it basically, everything on it was rough underneath. And then, and I say we built it in 11 weeks. There was a year and a half where the metal work, all the tweaks, the drip rail, all the 8 pillars have been massaged. That flush mount glass has all been put in and cut and tape. It was a lot of hours. It's probably 1,800 hours just metal work.
I believe that. And so, I mean, all new floor, I'm assuming, all the way back?
It's all, yeah, and it's all modified. So it's stock style floor, but all modified because it's got 18 Recaro ZL1 seats. So it's got heated and air conditioned seats.
That's cool.
It's got a full CAN bus electronic system in. This car has its own Wi-Fi, has its own cell signal. It has everything in it that basically is a modern car. Equivalent to almost like a Tesla. The windows vent when you open the doors. I mean, it's got everything modern in it. And it stands out. Everybody in their sun.
It does. I mean, even without the light shining on it, you can see it.
If you see the light, I didn't get.
Let's say in the sun, it's got a pop.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, very cool. Very cool. I mean, it's a nice build. So what's left? You got to do
200 hours worth of work.
Okay.
It's all the you got to shake them down. So once you shake them down and you detail them, go through there. I got some plumbing left to do on it. Some like it runs and drives and does what it needs to, but it's just all the detail work to finish it off.
Before the owner takes full possession of it.
Right.
Yeah, you got to get the money.
No, he wants to drive it Tuesday, and I told him no.
Yeah, no. Please no.
Right.
That's awesome. No,
in fact, you're getting ready to talk to him in a minute because he needs some more insurance coverage on this car.
Perfect.
Literally, I was literally going to have him call you.
Awesome. No, that works.
Before you ever walked up.
Well, that's good. That's good. So you guys got any more in the pipeline? Cars like this?
So he owns a 68 GTO convertible. It won't be seen, but it'll compete for a grade A car. This is a nice car, but the GTO is it's a belly pan, full suspension, independent rear. I mean, it's nicer than this one.
Oh, that's cool. Looking forward to seeing it.
Appreciate it.
Oh,
nice to meet you.
Great talking to you. Nice car.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto. Insuring your vehicle. Insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.